Hey guys, welcome back to the revision classes for the OPC coming, and the exam is only 20 days left. So today we will discuss the mountain of India, because the fact each year they are more honor press they're asking a question. So I think this would be a good idea to cover the mountains of India. So I will propagate myself from the north to south. So exactly what I do present the figure or used to write something before taking the classes, so that I can save my time and it would be a proper representation. So that the first I will propagate myself like this. This is what? This is your Karakoram. Karakoram range. This is Ladakh. This is Jaskar. That means Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar. Okay. These are the ranges. These three. 1, 2, 3. These three is known as Trans-Himalaya. These three is known as Trans-Himalaya. Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar. They are not the part of Himalaya because they formed before the Himalaya formed. Okay, they are also parallel to each other. Next, we will comes to the Greater Himalaya. This is your Greater Himalaya. This is your Middle Himalaya, and this is your Shivalik. Okay, Shivalik, or you can say foothills of Himalaya. Foothills of Himalaya. Shivalik or foothills of Himalaya. The Karakoram is the highest peak in Karakoram is K2. K2. Okay. That means next is Ladakh, then Jaskar, then Greater Himalaya. In Greater Himalayas, western part of the Greater Himalaya, the highest peak is Nanga Parbat, 8,126 meter. Karakoram is 8,611 meter. Next, the Greater Himalaya, then Middle Himalaya, then Shivalik or foothills. They are again parallel to each other. I have draw the line like this for the Shivalik or the foothill, because Shivalik or the foothills or the Himalaya, that is more or subject to the word bisected by the rivers, different rivers. Hence, this is not a continuous mountain. This is a bisected mountain, or of what fragmented mountain. But Middle Himalaya and Greater Himalaya, they are more or less fragmented. So least fragmented is Greater Himalaya. Okay, so they are parallel to each other. This is Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, Shivalik. Now the Greater Himalayas, western highest peak is Nanga Parbat. That means K2 is in which Himalaya? That would be your Karakoram. Next comes Kedarnath, Badrinath, Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi height is almost, that is 7,816 meter. Nanda Devi. Kedarnath 6,000, Badrinath 6,000 something. These are the mountains over here. Apart from this, Kanchenjunga is also Greater Himalaya, 8,586 meter. Okay. Mount Everest in Nepal. Kanchenjunga is the border between Sikkim and Nepal. And next comes your Mount Everest, that is 8,848 book says, and in internet it would be 50. The height is subjected to be increasing each year. Next, the easternmost part of the highest peak of Greater Himalaya is Namcha Barua. That is again 8,000, almost 8,000 height. Okay, Namcha Barua. So these are the some highest peak of, apart from this, Mount Kamet also there. So number of highest peak, that means number of highest peak over the Greater Himalaya. Next comes the Greater Himalaya in Nepal. It is known as the Kailas range or the Kailas mountain. Next comes your Middle Himalaya. The Middle Himalaya is parallel to the Greater Himalaya. Okay, what is the average height of Greater Himalaya? That is 6,000 meter. What is the average height of Middle Himalaya? That is 3,000 meter. What is the average height of Shivaligat foothill? That would be 1,500 to 2,000 meter. It is written over here. Okay, 6,000 meter average height Greater Himalaya, 3,000 Middle Himalaya, 1,000 to 2,000 meter is lower of the foothills. These are the average height. And okay, what would be their thick width? Width would be only 40 to like this 40-60 kilometer width would be. Widths are not much, but length are almost 2,500 kilometers the length, and they moves from the this is north west to the this is your northeast. The orientation of Himalaya fast in the this is from Uttarakhand. You have to remember the western Himalaya means the Himalaya start from the Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, J&K, Punjab. This region of Himalaya is known as the western Himalaya. The eastern Himalaya is Nepal, and rest of the northeast part of India, that is known as the eastern Himalaya. That means Nepal Kali river, there is a Kali river between that is Nepal and Indian state of Uttarakhand, who is demarcating the natural border between India and Nepal. That is the point from where the western part is the western Himalaya and the eastern part is the eastern Himalaya. Okay, the Himalayan are the tertiary mountain. Tertiary mountain means anything which is formed over the earth's surface and age is 60 million or less. Okay, any object which is formed over the earth or surface whose age is less than 60 million or 60 million. Okay, so that would be the tertiary mountain. That means Himalaya is a tertiary mountain. The age of Himalaya varies 15 to 60 million. 15 to 60 million. Some book says 25 to 60, like this. This is varies like this. Okay, so this would be whatever your choice. It would be 25 to 60, you may, or 15 to 60 million. That would be the age of Himalaya. Now Middle Himalaya. Middle Himalaya in J&K is known as what? Pirpanjal. Middle Himalaya in J&K known as Pirpanjal. In Himachal Pradesh it is known as Dhauladhar. In Uttarakhand, Nagtipa. Okay, in Uttarakhand it is known as Nagtipa. These are the regional name of Middle Himalaya. In Pirpanjal it is in J&K, Dhauladhar in what? That is your Himachal Pradesh, Nagtipa in Uttarakhand. Okay, now Lesser Himalaya. Lesser Himalaya. Okay, the Lesser Himalaya, or there is the Shivalik, is a more or less fragmented. The dunes, number of dunes like Dehradun, etc., they are coming in Middle Himalaya. So okay, so these are the some facts of the Himalayas. Number of rivers, they are originating from this Himalaya, that would be talked later. The Middle Himalaya, also known as Churia Hill in Nepal. Next comes to this part. Okay, this is your Aravalli. This is the Aravalli range. Aravalli range. The orientation of the Aravalli range is southwest to northeast. Orientation is southwest to northeast. The highest peak is Guru Shikhara, 1722 meter. Guru Shikhara, Mount Guru Shikhara, Rajasthan and Uttarakhand, Gujarat border. Guru Shikhara. Mount Abu also there, the second highest point, Mount Abu. This is Aravalli. Aravalli, this is Aravalli, the oldest mountain of India and one of the oldest of the earth's surface. Okay, this is the residual mountain, also known as the residual mountain. You might be asked, okay, which is the residual mountain of India? You have to simply answer that is the Aravalli is the residual mountain of India. So President House, that is the Raisina Hill. You might have heard about the Raisina Hill. Over the Raisina Hill, that is the President Rashtrapati Bhavan, Parliament, or the North Block, South Blocks, all are situated over the Raisina Hill. Also, Raisina Dialogue held, that is the geopolitical dialogues, security, over the security issue. That means you might be asked, okay, the Raisina Hill of Delhi is the extended part of which Himalaya, that is the Aravalli. Okay, next comes here Vindhya. Vindhya mountain. Vindhya is south of Gangetic plain. This is your Gangetic plain, the Great Indian Plain. The Great Indian Plain. The south of Gangetic plain is the Vindhya. That means Gangetic plain is between Vindhya and Shivalik or Himalaya. Okay, this is the situation of Gangetic plain. Gangetic plain is the youngest geological feature of India. You have to remember. Now this Aravalli, Vindhya Range. Vindhya Range also one of the oldest mountain of India. This is largely made of sandstone. Okay, sandstone and limestone. Sandstone and limestone. Lastly, this is maximum sandstone and limestone are found in this Vindhya Range. The highest peak of Vindhya is Goodwill or Kalumar Peak. Goodwill or Kalumar Peak in Panha, MP. That is height is almost 752 meter. 752 meter. That is the Kalamur Peak, Panha, the highest peak of Vindhya. Okay, next come your Eastern Ghat. Eastern Ghat is parallel to the east coast of India, passes through Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal, okay, some parts of Bihar, Chhattisgarh, then MP, and moves off to Meghalaya. So Meghalaya, that is the Garo Khasi Jaintia, are the part of Eastern Ghat. They are separated. Now they are separated through the Garo Rajmahal Gap. What is or Malda Gap? This is also known as Malda Gap. Malda Gap means the Eastern Ghat which is running and the Ganga river is passing like this. This is what Jharkhand, this is Meghalaya. In between Gangetic plain is there. So this is the plain through which Ganga Brahmaputra drains to the Bay of Bengal. Okay, this region which separates from the mountain, this is known as the Garo Gap. That means this side is Rajmahal Hill in West Bengal and Jharkhand, and this side is Garo. That is why this is known as Garo Rajmahal Gap. Okay, now Eastern Ghat highest peak is what? That is in book it would be your Deomali, which is 1600 centimeter. In internet you can find that is Jindagad 1690 meter. Armakonda 1680 meter. This Jindagad Armakonda in Andhra Pradesh. Deomali in, that is the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka border. That is okay. Deomali is the meeting point of Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat in Nilgiri mountain. Devagiri in Nilgiri mountain. The meeting point of Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat is the Nilgiri mountain and the highest peak is Deovali. But the Eastern Ghat highest peak is Jindagad, Armakonda, like this. Whatever in the option you have to choose the option depending upon the questions. Next comes to the Western Ghat. Western Ghat also known as the Sahyadri. Western Ghat. Ghat means what? Step like mountain. Ghat means step like mountain. That is why this is named after the step like mountain. It would be like step. It would be like step like mountain. Hence it is known as the Western Ghat or Sahyadri. OPSC in the past already asked twice. Sahyadri. It passes from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Passes through 6 states. Western Ghat. The highest peak of Western Ghat is Anaimuri, 2695 meter. Almost you may say 2700 meter. Okay, Western Ghat. Next comes to your Satpura. Satpura is meaning the 7 hills. Satpura is meaning the 7 hills. They are Rajpipla, Satmala, Gavilgad, Mahadev, Maikala, Kaimur, Ajanta. These are the mountains which comprise together to form Satpura. Satpura means 7 hills. They are, again I repeat, Rajmahal in Gujarat, Satmala, Gavilgad, Mahadev, Maikala, Kaimur, Ajanta. Okay, Ajanta, Satmala, Gavilgad, they are in Maharashtra. Mahadev, Maikala, Kaimur, they are in MP. So these are the what mountain of Satpura or Satpura comprised of. Apart from this, in the northeastern region, this is Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. Jaintia was in news last year because of the coal mining, that is the rat hole coal mining. Khasi Khasi, the highest peak of Khasi, that is your what? Mount Silong. Mount Silong is the highest peak of Meghalaya as well. Then in Garo, that is the Nokrik peak in Garo. That apart from this, in the last class I discussed that Patkai Bum, Naga Hill, Mani Hill, Mijo Hill. Okay, Dafla, Miri, Avor, Misri, all this hill. In South India, though I have not mentioned some of the hill, in South India, Javedi, you have to remember, write down Javedi, Sebroy. Okay, they are in Tamil Nadu, Javedi and Sebroy. They are the small hill. They are not mountain. They are the hill extended path of the Western Ghat. They are situated in the Tamil Nadu, Javedi and Sebroy. Sebroy and Javedi. Javedi and Sebroy, they are the hill extended part of Western Ghat in Tamil Nadu. Then apart from this, Palkonda, other mountains which are found, other mountains, okay. In Andhra Pradesh, it would be Palkonda, Bhelkonda, okay. Then Sesasalam Hill. These are the mountains which are also found in Andhra Pradesh. So this is all about the mountains of India. Thank you all. Hope guys are enjoying. So thank you all for watching this.